Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to address about two comments which I've got in my YouTube channel. So one is like how to start UPSC from zero, and the other one is why are you preparing for UPSC even after becoming CA. So these are the two questions which I want to address in this. So the first thing is how to start from zero. Before starting from zero, first you need to ask yourself like what is the purpose of me, why to prepare for UPSC, why I need to prepare for UPSC. So this is the main thing which you need to figure out before starting. Okay. Otherwise, it you won't be going in this journey for so long. You'll be quitting in between only because it's a very difficult journey. Anything, not only UPSC, even if you want to do anything, so this that requires the purpose to be there in the initial place to continue properly. The second question is like why are you preparing for UPSC even after becoming CA? Because I want to fulfill my purpose in life. For fulfilling my purpose, I have chosen the UPSC as one of the means. If it doesn't work, I'll just go to plan B. That's it. And the second thing is regarding the sources. Once you find out your purpose, second thing is about the sources. About the sources, frankly speaking, I can't suggest you right now because I'm still figuring it all out by myself, because I have read from 2 to 3 sources books for each and every subject, and still I do not remember anything from that. I didn't make any short notes also even from that, so it's becoming difficult for me. So now in this 3 months I am preparing notes for all the things. So yeah, note making is in progress. Once the note making is done, I'll have some clarity from where I have picked and to suggest you properly, genuinely. So yeah, I'll definitely put lot many videos coming. So I'll be sharing whatever dilemmas I'm facing, whatever I'm experiences I'm going through, and how I am overcoming the problems. So I'll put everything here. And lastly, I just want to thank you everyone for supporting me until here, and keep supporting me. If you really like my videos or if they are becoming useful to you, please don't forget to subscribe. That's it for this video, and bye bye.